The key to a polished looking garden is a neat, well-maintained lawn. The new 600-watt 2-in-1 grass trimmer and edger from Ryobi will help keep your garden ready for any backyard barbecue. You can trim areas your mower left untouched, like near landscaping or a mailbox post. With 600 watts of power, this trimmer has a cutting diameter of 30 centimeters to quickly complete tasks. It cuts with a dual 1.6 millimeter line for a clean finish, and the line automatically feeds out of the spool, no bumping required. The head pivots to 3 different angles, allowing you a convenient way to trim under obstacles like benches or shrubbery. The flower guard can be used to help protect landscaping and flower beds from accidentally being cut. You can store an extra spool on board, so if you run out of line, you don't have to run back to the shed to continue working. Extra spools are sold separately. For an even crisper looking garden, edging is a key task. Easily change this tool from trimming to edging mode by pushing this button and rotating the boom. Now, all you have to do is run the edger against the edge of your lawn to create a precise, straight line. This tool features an edging wheel to support you during your task. If you're going to be using this trimmer for a long time, you're going to want to be comfortable. So we've designed it with ergonomics in mind. The boom is telescopic, so no matter what your height, you can adjust it to a comfortable length. Simply unlatch, adjust the height, and then lock into place. The secondary handle is also adjustable to your preferences. And the rear handle has overmold. Once you're done trimming, you can easily store your trimmer and cable with no mess by using the cord wrap feature. Now that you've completed your trimming and edging with the new Ryobi 600-watt trimmer, your garden is ready for any outdoor garden party.